it's Jackie! And I'm here with the last look in our Bad Habit After series. This is the second look in the after party. I absolutely love this look. And it is the last palette in the after series. So yeah, I'm sad that it's over, but I had fun doing it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get into it. Okay, so last look in the after party palette. Ooh, so pretty. So, quick story time. I filmed a couple other videos and I was uploading them to my phone library and it was like not enough storage. So I was like, okay, have to go back, delete other videos that I've already uploaded and everything. So I was deleting videos and oops, I deleted this one. So I had to go back and redo it. So that is what I'm doing right now, is redoing the video that I so stupidly deleted before I uploaded it to YouTube. So yeah, but I'm gonna do the same look because it was a great look and I really loved it. So that being said, let's get started. We're gonna start with a morning after. I've already prepped with my Bad Habit primer. Oh, you know, I have noticed that my mic has been glitching once in a while. It'll like make this weird staticky noise and cut out. I'm not sure why. Oh. Okay, sorry. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. But it's okay. As long as it doesn't keep doing it, it will be good. Holler. So, guys, it is snowing right now. Snowing. Why is it snowing? I can't anymore. I'm so over this weather. Better warm up and melt. So frustrating. Okay, so there's that. Now we're gonna go into musk. We're going to I hope I'm not blinding you. We're going to very lightly, with a very light hand, we're gonna put that in the crease. Very light hand, because that can get quite dark. So I've been having to break out the steroid cream on my face eczema because it was just out of hand, and it is the only thing that makes it calm down. And I hate using it because, you know, steroid cream on your skin is not great. It thins out your skin, which is bad, so I really don't like having to do that. But it was getting crazy out of hand. I don't know why it was getting crazy out of hand, but I had to do something to chill it out. So if you notice my face isn't quite as red as it usually is, that's why. So, okay, we're gonna take a flat Just use this E.L.F eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go into invite only, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Just a light layer all over. Holy moly, that is a dark color. Just putting this down as like a base for the next shade I want to use. Let's go back into Musk and kind of blend that in there. Okay, so now the next color I'm going to use is this dark chocolate brown, like shimmery brown open tab. And I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to tap that on the whole lid. Okay, now that we have that down, I'm going to go into the color Tipsy and put that right in the middle with my finger. Just kind of tap it out towards the outer corners just to blend it. Now we blend. I'm going to take the crease color with the musk and blend the crease, get some of that shimmer out of the crease. I don't know if you notice, it's like clumping right there. My eye is watery, so it decided it was all just gonna chill and clump up right there because the outer corner is wet from my watery eye. So sweet of it. Okay, now we're gonna take the large shadow brush. We're gonna go into invite only. Just kind of darken up the outer corner a little bit. And now we're gonna take the Morning After, which was the transition shade. Yes, as you see, there is a ton of fallout with this. These shadows are very soft, so make sure you do this before your face makeup. Otherwise, you're gonna be devastated. So we're going to go into Morning After, the transition shade, and we're just going to go over that up here. Soften this up a little. Now I'm going to take a clean brush, nothing on it, and we're just going to buff out the edges, soften the edge. Okay, let's clean off this crazy fallout, shall we? So I'm going to go with a cream eyeliner. I'm going to go with the E.L.F cream eyeliner as soon as I figure out where my eyeliner brush is. Use this one. This bent eyeliner brush. Oh, jeez. clearly not very good at getting all the fallout. Really, Jackie? Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Black gel, black cream E.L.F. eyeliner. Go into this. And I know you're not supposed to do this, but it helps me make a smoother line. I'm not sure I'm liking this brush for this. I feel like I have no control over it. You know what? I don't like this brush. Not right now. Let me get out a different brush. Hello, E.L.F. liner brush. That'll work. Thank you. Angled liner brush. Works better for me. Stiffer, I have more control over it. So I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, I just got it, Lash Paradise, the Luminous Lash Paradise Waterproof, which I have tried once, and it is a BITCH to get off, because it's waterproof, but I'm going to pick a different way to get it off. I'm gonna use a coconut oil next time to try to get it off better. So we'll see. We'll see if that works. Okay, so here we go. The reason I always lean more towards right on my face, glad I didn't do my face makeup, lean towards waterproof mascara is because my eyes are always watering. Like the corners of my eyes water, like for random reasons. Like I blink too hard and my eye starts watering. It definitely makes them thicker. Just don't know about length. I don't have a lot of length. But yeah, it definitely looks better than any other mascara I use when I'm not wearing falsies, that's for sure. That is voluminous, I will say that. Wow. Thank you to my subscriber, Bella, for encouraging me to get this. This is awesome. I love it. Yay! Okay. So now that that is done, I am going to clean off the mascara I just got on my face, and I'm going to continue and do my face makeup, and then we'll be back to do the bottom lash line. I'll be back. Okay, let's finish the bottom lash line, shall we? I'm going to take Invite Only, the matte lid shade we used. I'm going to take it on this Bad Habit pencil brush. My dog. And I'm just going to sweep it. I tap it off. I'm trying really hard not to get any fallout. Then I'm going to take the same brush. I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm going to go into Tipsy. That shade we popped in the middle of our lid. And I'm going to pop that in the middle as well. I take a clean brush and just kind of clean up the edge. Take my powder brush and clean up under the eyes. And now I'm going to take this Holy Addiction J-Cat Pro Define eyeliner and shimmer bronze. I'm going to put that in my waterline. My eyes are just watery, 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 watery. And we're going to go back in with the Lash Paradise on the bottom as well. I'm just going to try to be very careful not to get it on my skin. Lord knows I'm good at that. So, this is the last look in the last palette of the Bad Habit After series. After Party. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I think this is such a beautiful brown smoky eye. I love this palette. It is amazing. So, yes, you'll have to tune in for my stupid nose ring. Always wants to stick out. Like, stop it, nose ring. So you'll have to tune in for, I believe I have it coming on Monday, the Bad Habit After series roundup. So you can find out my feelings on all the after palettes. So yeah, look forward to that coming soon. And that is it for this video. If you enjoyed the video and the look, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which starting next week, I'm going to move my Friday one to Saturday because I'm trying to get a feel for where my videos belong in this YouTube world. Trying to up my game, figure some stuff out, get my name out there. So yes, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!